Hey, how is everybody? Lou from RV Habit. I just installed a RV lock on my RV, the keyless entry type lock. I'll leave a video to it up here, and I absolutely love it. So I was thinking, why not get a keyless keypad for the chassis like the newer Ford trucks and stuff like that. And Ford actually makes a keyless keypad that can be programmed to your key fobs. And it's a genuine Ford product, but I got it on Amazon. I paid $80 for it. I'll leave a link below. But it comes with the keyless pad, a card that goes in your owner's manual with the master code, and you can program it to any code you like. And the only thing you have to do is program it to the vehicle. Now, when you program it to the vehicle, you need all the key fobs that came with your vehicle. So I have actually 3 key fobs that came with this vehicle. So when you're reprogramming this, it reprograms them all. So you'll need everything to reprogram it. So let's go to the driver's seat and we'll see how easy this is to program. So we're in the driver's seat, and the first thing it says to do is press the unlock button and open your door. The door needs to be open. Then what you're going to do is take the key and insert it into the ignition, and you're going to very quickly, you're going to turn the key 8 times from off to run, back and forth, and on the 8th time you're going to leave it in run. That should set the vehicle in programming mode, and the lock should cycle to let you know it's in programming mode. So let's give it a try. That's the 8th time, and the lock cycled. So now I'm in programming mode. All I have to do is press any button on the key fob, and you'll hear the locks. And on the keypad, 7, 8, and 9, 0 pressed together is the lock, and I heard it cycle. That's it. Then it says turn it off. Take out the key. The locks will cycle again and let you know that you're out of programming mode. And let's test it. So I have that key fob works. That key fob works. That one, and let's see. Does this lock it? Yes, it does. Perfect. Let's install it, and I'll program a code, and we'll be all done. Let's go outside. Okay, so I've been playing with it, and I kind of like it right about there, right where my height is, right where my arm would naturally reach. And it comes with some alcohol prep pads to wipe the area down before you stick it. So I'll just wipe that down. Let that dry a second. And the remote has some 3M tape on the back. Peel that away. There we go. Okay, it's dry. Now the trick is to get it straight. That looks pretty straight, and I'll just put some pressure on it for a couple seconds. And this is a completely sealed unit. You can't change the batteries or anything. They say the batteries last, I think, 7 to 10 years. So since it's completely sealed, the water shouldn't be to it. So now to lock the vehicle, you press the 7 and 8 key. I'm sorry, the 7, 8, the 9, 0 key together, and it just locked. And if you push in your code, it'll unlock. And if you press the 3, 4, within 5 seconds, the passenger side will lock. Super easy upgrade. What did this take, 5 minutes? Again, $80 on Amazon. I will leave a link below. I'll also do a quick blog article with the directions on exactly how I program it. But as usual, if you see me on the road, stop by and say hello, and I'll see you soon.